Yep, it's not a clickbait, ladies and gentlemen, it's true. So here's the deal. Meta AI recently struck a deal with Midjourney, apparently worth millions, to use their cutting-edge image and video generation models inside Meta's systems. And currently, Meta AI is offering free image and video generations with no limits, which means you are actually getting access to Midjourney images and videos for free without any limits. Now, this is something to cheer for. So the images and videos you are looking at right now have been generated using Meta AI, and as you can see, the results are outstanding. I have been generating images and videos with this for a while, and I am pretty impressed with how well this works. And in today's video, I will show you how you can use Meta AI to create stunning images and videos absolutely free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now, this kind of looks like a chatbot. Well, that's because along with images and videos, you can also use it to write, enhance your scripts, and basically do daily tasks that you do on ChatGPT. Now, let's generate some images and see how good they are. To generate images, first click on this plus icon, then choose Create. From here, select Images. You can also change the aspect ratio from here. Next, in the Aesthetics section, you can tweak the settings if you want. I'll just keep them as they are. Now let's give it a prompt. Let's try a simple one like this. A beautiful woman looking at the camera. After that, simply hit Generate and wait for it to show the results. And here's the output. Actually, it has generated 4 different images. I'm just showing you the one I like the most. Just look at this image. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at the hair, the eyes, and the details on her skin. It looks really awesome. And if you've used Midjourney before, you can tell it has that signature Midjourney image feel, the warm tone, and that very artistic look. Now, I'm not entirely sure if it's using the latest Midjourney model or not, but hey, it's free and unlimited, so I really don't have any complaints. Meta AI made an awesome choice. If you can't compete with them, just partner with them. Overall, this is a very high quality image. Let's try one more. This time, let's generate an anime style image. So I'll paste this prompt and then hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, just look at this image, folks. It looks outstanding. The art style here is what makes it special. That soft hand-painted anime look with dreamy colors and perfect lighting. Every detail, from the tree bark to the fading mountains, feels alive. It's peaceful, emotional, and cinematic, like something straight out of an anime film. Truly beautiful work. Let's try one more. This time, let's go for a complex cinematic scene. I'll paste this prompt, and by the way, if you want the prompt, just let me know in the comments and I'll share the guide with you. Next, let's hit generate. And here is the output. Oh my god, I have no words. That is just outstanding. The atmosphere is incredible. Storm clouds, lightning, crashing waves, pure chaos. The details and lighting make it cinematic, like a scene from Pirates of the Caribbean or a Lovecraft story. Epic, intense, and beautifully done. Excellent job by Meta AI. Or should I say Midjourney. Just imagine the kinds of cinematic masterpieces you could create with this. And now, let's generate some videos and see how good they are. To generate videos, click on this plus icon, choose Create, and then select Videos this time. Now you can generate both text to video and image to video. Let's try text to video first. So in the prompt section, I'll paste this prompt and then hit generate. It really doesn't take much time to create the videos, and here is the output. Wow, this looks really good, folks. The slow zoom out shot is perfect. Pure cinematic storytelling. The subtle motion in his hair and cloak, the golden sunset glow, and the sweeping mountain landscape create an epic, emotional moment. One warrior, one world. It feels straight out of a Netflix series. Meta AI absolutely nailed it. Now, I know this is not on the same level as Kling or VO3, but hey, it's free and unlimited, so I think we can work with this. Let's try one more. This time, let's try an animated style, so I'll paste this prompt and then hit generate. And here it is. Once again, it has nailed it. It really looks like a scene from a movie, doesn't it? The cow is fully ready for the office. Its movements feel natural too. Typing, glancing at the screen, then looking back up in frustration. It's pure animated comedy we can all relate to. And now let's try image to video. So let's upload our image first from here. I've uploaded this image. Now let's give it a simple prompt and then hit generate. And here it is. This one also looks great. The movements are smooth and without any distortion. Overall, this is a really good video. If you guys have used Meta AI before, you probably remember how bad the videos used to be. But now, thanks to Midjourney, it's way better. Now, personally, I think Meta AI generates better text to videos than image to videos. but I could be wrong. You guys try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if anyone knows which Midjourney version Meta AI is using, you can mention that in the comments too. So there you have it, folks. Midjourney images and videos for free on Meta AI. So what are you waiting for? Go try it out now and create some awesome content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.